To add Google Maps with multiple locations on your website, you can use the Advanced Google Maps widget. This widget is part of the premium version of the A-Teams add-ons plugin. First of all, you're going to add your API key for Google Maps here in Settings, and then go to Widgets, search for the widget, and activate it. Now we can go to the page where we want to add this widget. We're going to search again for it, find the Advanced Google Maps widget, and drag it onto the page. You'll notice that the first set of options is for the center coordinates. You can click here and find the latitude and longitude that you want. Next up we have the markers. You can add unlimited markers. Right now I have one for New York and one for Los Angeles. Let's delete this one. We're going to duplicate this one. You can see how they are grouped in the cluster now because they are very close to each other. Let's just change a bit here the latitude. So you can see I have two distinct markers. You can click on them and there's going to be a small pop-up showing you some info. You can fully configure this info by going to content. You can add the content you want here in an editor. You can also add an image if you want. Let's add this image quickly. Now I'm going to click it. Sorry, it was for this one. Now I'm going to click it, and here it is. Of course, I can write whatever content I need here. Now back to the Settings tab. You can add the latitude and longitude for the specific marker. Again, you will have to go to this website to find them. You can choose to have this open by default. You can upload a custom pin if you want. The pins can be individual for each marker, so you can customize this as deep as you want. Let's move on to the settings. There are plenty of settings for your map here. You can select the map type. You can easily change from road map to satellite and everything. You can change the height. And you can enable or disable all kinds of controls. For example, let's say I want to disable this one for the street view. I'm just going to click here and see it has now disappeared. Or if I want to disable the zoom control, I'm just going to click here and it's no longer available. Of course, you can also change the zoom if you need. Let's put a different zoom like this, or maybe okay. Now moving on, there's the map style option. You can use the default style, or you can go here and select custom. You're going to be presented with this option that lets you paste the code for your new style. We're going to click this link and we're going to be taken to this site. There are plenty of styles to find here, so I'm just going to pick this one. You just go here on the left hand side, copy everything, go back to your widget, paste it, and you can see the new style. So just pick the style you want. Let's find a new one. Maybe let's take this one. Okay. Let's get this style. Okay. Just paste it. And here it is. So you can find the style, or you can even create a style for yourself on that website that fully matches your brand. Moving on, we have the style tab. There are a few options here like margin, padding, border type. So these are for the actual map. But you can also style the info windows, which are these little pop-ups here. You can change the background color, the titles, content, and of course the links. You have full styling control for the links. If you add the links to your info windows. I am going to go back quickly here because if you go to content, there's one more thing you can add. And this is address, site, phone, email, and opening. So let's say I want to add the site. I'm just going to write the site here. And that's it. The site shows up. Similarly, you can add a phone, email, and opening hours. Let's say something like this. That's it. Thank you for watching.